Welcome to the fascinating world of finfish. These aquatic creatures are more than just a source of food. They are a testament to the diversity of life under the sea. Today we'll be embarking on an exploration of 3 commercially farmed finfish species that have significant roles in the global aquaculture. The Atlantic salmon, famed for its rich flavor and nutritional value, the tilapia, a wonder fish of warm waters, and the catfish, a bottom-dwelling delight. Each of these species has unique characteristics and farming methods that contribute to their commercial success. To delve deeper into these species and more, remember to check out our playlist filled with a treasure trove of fish-related videos. So, are you ready to dive into the depths and discover these fish in greater detail? Buckle up, it's going to be an exciting journey. First up, we have the Atlantic salmon, a species that reigns supreme in the icy waters. This remarkable creature is a marvel of adaptation and survival, thriving in some of the coldest waters on our planet. Let's delve into the world of the Atlantic salmon, a fish that is as fascinating as it is commercially valuable. This fish is a true spectacle, boasting a sleek torpedo-shaped body that can grow up to 4 feet long. Its silver-scaled body, peppered with dark, cross-shaped spots, is a sight to behold. The Atlantic salmon's habitat is nothing short of extraordinary. Born in freshwater rivers, they make an epic journey to the cold, salty waters of the North Atlantic Ocean, only to return to their birthplace when it's time to spawn. This incredible cycle, known as anadromy, showcases the adaptability and resilience of this species. Life for the Atlantic salmon is a constant battle against the odds. From evading predators to navigating through harsh, icy waters, these fish are survivors in every sense of the word. Their life cycle is a testament to their tenacity and adaptability, making them a fascinating subject of study. But the allure of the Atlantic salmon extends beyond its impressive survival skills. This fish is a highly sought-after delicacy, savored by gourmets around the globe. Its rich, flavorful flesh is a staple in a variety of cuisines, from the smoky lox adorning a New York bagel to the traditional gravlax of Scandinavian feasts. The commercial value of the Atlantic salmon is undeniable. They're farmed extensively, making them a mainstay in seafood markets worldwide. Beyond their culinary appeal, their oil is used in supplements, their skin in leather products, and even their waste is turned into biofuel. In conclusion, the Atlantic salmon is more than just a fish. It's a testament to the wonders of nature and the bounties it offers us. With its striking appearance, incredible life cycle, and substantial commercial value, it's no wonder this species holds the title of the King of Cold Waters. Atlantic salmon, with its remarkable adaptations and high commercial value, truly is the King of Cold Waters. Next, let's turn our attention to the tilapia, a fish that thrives in warmer climates. This wonder fish is a marvel of the aquatic world, known for its adaptability and resilience. Physically, tilapia exhibits an impressive variety. This cichlid family member is usually medium-sized, but can grow quite large under the right conditions. Its body is laterally compressed, often appearing almost disc-like. The color varies greatly depending on the species and the environment, ranging from dark to light, with fascinating patterns that are a sight to behold. Tilapia's preferred habitat is warm fresh water. These fish are native to Africa and the Middle East, but have since been introduced to many different parts of the world due to their high tolerance for various water conditions. They are particularly adept at surviving in environments where other fish cannot, including brackish waters and areas with low oxygen levels. The life cycle of tilapia is also quite intriguing. They are mouth brooders, meaning the female will carry the fertilized eggs and young fish in her mouth for protection. This unusual behavior is a testament to the tilapia's dedication to survival and proliferation. Moving on to its commercial value, tilapia is a heavyweight in the world of aquaculture. Its hardiness, rapid growth, and ability to eat a wide variety of food make it an ideal choice for farming. Furthermore, it's resistant to most common fish diseases, which reduces the need for expensive treatments and ensures a healthier, more sustainable product. On the culinary front, tilapia has become a popular choice worldwide. Its mild, sweet-tasting flesh lends itself well to a multitude of dishes, from simple pan-fried fillets to intricate gourmet preparations. Additionally, it's a rich source of protein and omega-3 fatty acids, making it a healthy choice for many. To sum it up, tilapia's adaptability, commercial value, and gastronomic appeal make it a standout in the realm of finfish. From its unique physical characteristics and life cycle to its significant role in aquaculture and global cuisine, this wonder fish truly shines. Versatile and resilient, tilapia is indeed a wonder fish of warm waters. Finally, we venture to the riverbeds to discover the catfish, a bottom-dwelling delight. This fascinating creature is easily recognizable by its whisker-like barbels around the mouth, which give it the name catfish. With a variety of shapes and sizes, ranging from the tiny glass catfish to the monstrous Mekong giant catfish, this species is as diverse as they come. The catfish's body is typically scaleless, often with a slippery mucus-covered skin that aids in its unique style of navigation through murky waters. It's an absolute master of the riverbed, using its elongated body to slip through even the most challenging terrains. The catfish prefers residing in freshwater environments, from small, quiet ponds to fast-flowing rivers. It's a bottom dweller, spending most of its life nestled into the sandy or muddy beds of these water bodies. Their barbels, resembling a cat's whiskers, are not just for show. They are sensory organs that help them locate food in the dark, murky depths. In terms of life cycle, most catfish species are nocturnal. They lay eggs in a variety of ways, some in open water, some in nests, and others in burrows. The male often guards and cares for the eggs and young, a nurturing behavior rarely seen in fish. Now let's talk about the commercial value of the catfish. This fish is a staple in many regional cuisines around the globe. Its meat is mild, firm, and low in fat, making it a versatile ingredient for a variety of dishes, from southern fried catfish in the United States to the spicy catfish curry in India. Beyond its culinary uses, catfish also plays a significant role in recreational fishing. Their size, strength, and delicious taste make them a desirable catch for many anglers. Whether it's the thrill of the catch or the promise of a tasty meal, catfish fishing is a popular pastime in many parts of the world. Catfish, with its unique adaptations and diverse uses, is a true delight of the freshwater world. Today we've journeyed through icy waters, warm rivers, and murky riverbeds to discover three fascinating finfish species. Let's take a moment to recall the marvels we've uncovered. First, we ventured into the chill of the deep sea, where the king of cold waters reigns supreme. Known for its robust, meaty texture and unique flavor, this fish has carved out a special place on dinner tables around the globe. Its resilience in harsh climates and ability to thrive under challenging conditions make it a commercially viable species, contributing significantly to the seafood industry. Next, we navigated the temperate currents of warm rivers, home to the wonder fish. This versatile species adapts remarkably well to varying water temperatures, making it a resilient choice for commercial farming. Its delicate, mild flavor has endeared it to many palates, cementing its status as a culinary delight worldwide. Finally, we descended into the enigmatic world of the riverbeds, where the bottom-dwelling delight resides. This fish's unique feeding habits and preference for the river floor have shaped its distinct features and taste. Its high commercial value comes not only from its popularity among seafood lovers, but also from its adaptability to different farming techniques, making it a favorite among aquaculture enthusiasts. These are just three examples of the immense diversity and commercial potential that finfish species offer. Each species presents a unique combination of characteristics and commercial value, making the world of finfish a truly fascinating one to explore. However, remember that our journey today only scratches the surface of the vast ocean of knowledge that awaits. There are thousands of other finfish species out there, each with its own story, its own habitat, and its own contribution to our world. So, I encourage each one of you to delve deeper to learn more about these incredible creatures and the role they play in our ecosystem and economy. The world of finfish is vast and full of wonder, and it's waiting for you to explore. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of finfish. Remember, there are thousands of other species waiting to be discovered. So until next time, keep exploring and keep